The changes have not kicked in here in Atlanta just yet. Just 10 U.S. airports so far, but the TSA plans to roll out the new screening procedures at all domestic airports in the coming weeks and months. Authorities believe that terrorists are finding better ways to hide explosives inside electronics.
Yeah, go ahead and place that right here.
This morning, the TSA says tighter screening rules are coming to airports across the country, with agents taking a closer look at personal electronics. That could mean longer wait times and increased frustration.
I think there are a lot of different ways we could address homeland security. I don't necessarily know it's through my Kindle.
While passengers have been required to remove laptop computers from their carry-ons for years, the new screening procedures mean any device larger than a cell phone, including e-readers and tablets, must also go into a separate bin.
It's a minor inconvenience, but if it'll help, I'm all for it.
The rules now in place at 10 U.S. airports, including Boston, Detroit, and Los Angeles. With travelers cramming more into their carry-ons to avoid baggage fees, TSA screeners are struggling to clearly see what's inside.
Of course, it takes more time up front, but I feel like it's something that's going to protect us, and it's a good thing.
In Phoenix, the TSA also recently began testing 3D carry-on luggage scanners to detect bombs. Last week, Homeland Security Secretary John Kelly said the TSA recently set off an explosive based on what intelligence suggested terrorists were developing.
We tested it on a real airplane, on the ground, pressurized, and to say the least, it destroyed the airplane.
Many travelers say the new rules are worth the extra hassle.
If it keeps everyone safe and secure, you can't put a price on that. It's got to be done.
The TSA says that since it's tested this at 10 airports, it's developed quicker, more targeted techniques to keep the lines moving. But guys, we should mention that the changes do not apply to passengers enrolled in TSA PreCheck. Back to you.
Good info there, Gabe. Thanks so much.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.